Standard 3rd, Subject EVS, Lesson number 8, Our Need for Water. Part 1. Students, today we are going to learn new lesson, that is Our Need for Water. Here we are going to see how we require water in our day-to-day life. Students, when you cry, what flows from your eyes? Yes, tears. Children, when you see a pizza, what happens? Yes, your mouth starts watering. When you have a cold, what happens to your nose? Yes, water runs from your nose. Children, when you get a cut, what happens? Yes, it bleeds. Tears, saliva, water running from the nose and blood are present in the body. They are substances that flow. They contain water. So children, let us do an experiment. Do this under adult supervision. Take a small piece of cucumber, grate it, squeeze it hard. Take a slice of lemon, squeeze it hard too. Students, what do you see? Yes, juice flows out of the grated cucumber and the lemon slice. So my dear students, tell me, what does this tells us? Yes, it tells us that water is present in cucumber and even in the lemon. Why do we feel thirsty? We need water in our body to function properly. Water keeps our blood thin. Water helps to digest food. Unwanted substances leave our body through our urine. We must have enough water in our body all the time. When there is lack of water in our body, we get thirsty. Like us, all living things need water. Children, please see at the picture and answer my questions. Tell me, which animal is drinking water near the river bank? Yes, right. You can see goats drinking water. My next question is, who are playing in the river? Yes, children are playing in the river. Children, in this picture you can see some people are carrying water home. What will they use it for? Yes, right. They will use it for washing clothes, washing utensils, drinking water, having bath, etc. We need water for bathing, watering plants, cleaning house, cooking food, washing clothes and to drink. As we require water, animals and plants too require water. Animals need water to clean themselves and to drink. Plants need water to live and to grow. Now children, let us study about water bodies. First one, river, a large stream of flowing water. Second, pond, a small body of water surrounded by the land. Lake, a large body of water surrounded by the land. Ocean, a large body of salt water. Public source of water. In many villages, cows, buffaloes and goats come to the river or a pond to drink water. Grasses and other bushes can be seen growing near the water hole. Animals bathe themselves in it. Birds like lapwing, kingfisher and eaglet can also be seen around the water sources. People from the villages wash their clothes in it. They carry water to use at home. Do you know, children? People who keep animals provide drinking water to them without fail. We know that these animals too get thirsty. But there are thousands of other animals we do not even realize that they too need water. Ants, honeybees, crabs, scorpions, and all other animals need water. Wild animals also need water. They come to the water hole in the forest when they feel thirsty. So, people too go there in order to sight the wild animals. I hope you enjoyed it. In this session, we have learned about what are important in daily life, uses of water, water bodies, public sources of water. So, in the next class, we will be learning about importance of water and plants too need water. Thank you.